Good morning. Welcome, Shem Stars. In continuation of Chapter 8 Human Health and Diseases. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about ascariasis, filariasis, and ringworm infectious diseases. Let's start with the ascariasis. This is caused by an intestinal endoparasite of human which is known as roundworm, commonly known as roundworm, and scientific name is Ascaris lumbricoides. Ascaris lumbricoides is the large roundworm of human growing to a length of up to 35 cm in the intestine. It is one of several species of Ascaris. An ascarid nematode of the phylum Nematoda, it is the most common parasite in human. Presence of roundworms in human body can cause nausea, vomiting, irregular stools or diarrhea, intestinal blockage, which causes severe pain and vomiting. Infection occurs as the eggs of parasite are excreted along with the feces of infected person, which contaminate water, soil, and plants. Infection reaches to human beings through contaminated vegetables, fruits, and water. The next disease which we are going to discuss, that is elephantiasis or filariasis. This disease is caused by Vaucaria species. The filarial worms cause a slowly developing chronic inflammation of the organs in which they live for many years. People do not know they have lymphatic filariasis unless tested. The clinical symptoms and signs are mainly determined by the duration of the infection. The adult worms which live in the lymphatic vessels can cause severe inflammation of the lymphatic system and acute recurrent fever. Culex mosquito female is the vector for this worm. Ringworm is caused by many fungi of genera Microsporum, Trichophyton, and Epidermophyton. Infection occurs through contact with an infected person or from soil and through the use of towels, clothes, combs of an infected person. Symptoms of ringworm are appearance of dry, scaly lesions on various parts of the body such as skin, nails, accompanied by intense itching. A round, flat patch of itchy skin appears with overlapping rings. There is no involvement of any worm. Because of its appearance, it is called ringworm. Children, we know prevention is always better than cure. So let's talk about preventive measures. Wash your hands often, get vaccinated well in time, use antibiotics sensibly, stay at home if you have signs and symptoms of an infection. Be smart about food preparation. Disinfect the hot zones in your residence. Practice safer sex. Don't share personal items. So children, these are the ways by which we can reduce the chances of infections caused by various microorganisms. This is all about the infectious disease of this chapter. I hope you must have understood. In the next presentation, we will learn about immunity. Thank you, Shem Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on Google Classroom. Take care.